It's here. It's the April Owlcrate, which is head over heels. And if you don't want to know, you know what to do. But if you do, carry on watching. Oh my gosh, that's such a pretty art print. How cute's that? And they've got like all the Owlcrate books that have been in, and then just some young adult books. That is so cool. Okay, first up is Novelly Yours Candle, and I've got Park and Eleanor. And there were a few different ones, so I'm really excited to see what the other ones are. So this is, oh, that smells really nice. So I think it's, yeah, just vanilla. That is such a nice candle. It smells really good. It smells a bit like vanilla ice cream. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy using that one. And it's my first Novelly Yours candle. I think I might be getting some more. Okay. So, ooh. Anna and the French Kiss Tea Chocolate Cherry Bomb. And this is from the Tea Spot. I don't want to actually open the packaging to smell it, but I'm going to say that it smells really good because I imagine it does. Black tea, chocolate and cherry flavouring. So yeah, I'm going to probably use a cup, have a cup later. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ooh. Pride and Prejudice Headband. And this is from Storiarts. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. I might wear this to work. That's so cool. Okay. Ooh. I've heard about this series. And it's like a full-on like chapter or two. This is so cool. So yeah, apparently, so Everland was in one of the boxes last year, and this is like a couple of chapters to see what it's like, and it's out on the 9th of May. So I am actually looking forward to trying it. And I might go get them because I've heard good things. Oh my gosh, this print is amazing. So this is from Evie Bookish, and it is so cute. I love it so much, and it's like my favourite quote ever. That is so cute, and the quality is really good as well. Oh my gosh, I am loving this. Okay, next up is, ooh, from Bookworm Boutique. I love them so much. And it's a little keyring. And this is from Simon versus the Homo Sapiens Agenda, which I've not read, but I've heard good things about. That's so cool. Thing is the book, which is the Upside of Unrequited, and there's a couple of things in there. There's a letter, a signed book plate, and there's the sticker as well. That is so cool. And finally is the little teaser card for next month, which is Comic Explosion. The teaser, like the announcement online, looks so much fun. And oh my gosh, we're getting a full-size Funko Pop. Oh my gosh. Ah! That's amazing. Oh, Owlcrate, you are awesome. And I just found the little pin badge, which is so cute. I really love how they do this every time, and it actually links to the art print card. That's really cute.